Oppo announced the Oppo Find X8 series on October 24 in China, include the Oppo Find X8, Oppo Find X8 Pro. The company has shared a lot of details about the Find X8, and now the executives have started sharing details about the Pro model. Oppo's chief product officer, Lu Zhihu, took to Weibo to share key details about the Pro model. Oppo showcases Find X8 Pro's camera control feature, enabling users to capture images even when the smartphone is submerged in water. Quick start button for capturing photos on the middle of the frame. It is a capacitive button plus linear motor vibration and is not a pressable button like the one on iPhone 16. Is it the Oppo Find X8 Pro front micro quad curved display design? The phone will come with a 6.82-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED panel. Find X8 Pro will launch in two different models, one that supports satellite connectivity and one that doesn't. The Satellite Communication Edition will launch alongside the standard version. It features MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 chipset, including a 16GB RAM with the ColorOS 15 based Android 15. The Oppo Find X8 Pro will pack a 6000 mAh battery. According to a previous rumor, the phone will be available in multiple markets, including India. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.